Greetings from France. Dreaming of strolling near the Eiffel Tower or enjoying some delicious pastries? France is calling. But first, one small thing called a visa. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. It's just a permission slip for your adventure. A tourist visa lets you visit France for a short time. Think of it as your golden ticket to experience the magic of France. So, are you ready to say yes to a memorable trip? Let's get your visa sorted. Imagine the joy of sharing a picnic in a French park or admiring world-famous art at the Louvre. Picture yourself on a serene boat ride on the Seine or exploring the lush vineyards and savoring exquisite wines, sending postcards from France to your loved ones back home, or shopping at vibrant French markets. Enjoying lively street performances or relaxing on beautiful French beaches, hiking in the majestic French Alps, or dancing at vibrant French festivals. All these experiences start with a visa, so let's make your dream trip a reality. Getting a French tourist visa is like baking a croissant. It might seem complicated at first, but with the right ingredients and steps, it becomes a piece of cake. Just follow the recipe. Each step is crucial to ensure your visa application is successful. Here's your step-by-step guide to making your French dream come true. 1. Visit the official website. This is your starting point. Go to the website of the French Embassy in India or the authorized Visa Application Center. This is where you'll find all the necessary information and forms. They're your best friend for up-to-date information. Make sure to read through all the guidelines and tips provided. 2. Download the application form. This is your next crucial step. Time to fill out the form. Be thorough and accurate. Download the visa application form from the website and print it out. Make sure your information is accurate and complete. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. 3. Gather your documents. This is like packing your travel bag, but with papers. Think of it like packing your travel bag, but with papers. Gather all the necessary documents. Passport, photos, travel insurance. We'll cover everything in the next section. Make sure you have everything ready. 4. Book your appointment. This is a crucial step to ensure you get your visa on time. Choose the right date and time for you at the Visa Application Center. Make sure it fits your schedule. Be ready to pay your visa fee too. Have your payment method ready. 5. Prepare your documents for submission. This is where you ensure everything is in order. Make sure you have all the required documents, including your passport, photos, travel insurance, and any other supporting documents. Double-check your checklist. 6. Attend your appointment. This is where you submit everything. Submit your documents and provide your biometric data if required. Follow the instructions given by the officers. 7. Wait for your visa to be processed. This might take some time, so be patient. You'll be notified once your visa is ready. Keep an eye on your email or phone for updates. 8. Collect your passport with the visa. This is the final step before your journey begins. Congratulations, you're ready to explore France. Enjoy your trip and make the most of your time there. Bon voyage, have a fantastic journey and create unforgettable memories in France. Remember that document checklist? It's time to dive into the details and make sure you have everything you need for a smooth visa application process. Here's what you need to pack for your visa application. 1. Your passport. This is the most crucial document. Your passport is your travel buddy. It's your ticket to exploring new places and experiencing new cultures. It needs to be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay in France. This ensures that you won't face any issues during your travels. 2. The visa application form. The form you downloaded earlier? Yes, that one. Make sure it's completely filled out and signed. Any missing information can delay your application process. 3. Photos. Say cheese. These aren't just any photos. You'll need recent passport-sized photos that meet specific requirements. Check the guidelines to ensure your photos are acceptable. 4. Travel itinerary. Show them your travel plans. This includes your flight bookings, hotel reservations, and a day-by-day plan. Include your flight bookings, hotel reservations, and a day-by-day plan. This helps the authorities understand your travel intentions. 5. Proof of finances. France wants to make sure you can afford your trip. They need to see that you have enough funds to cover your stay. Bank statements, salary slips. Show them you're good to go. This proves that you won't face financial difficulties while in France. 6. Travel insurance. This is crucial. It's not just a formality. Your travel insurance should cover any medical emergencies and be valid for the entire duration of your stay in France. This ensures you're protected in case of any unforeseen events. 7. A cover letter. This is your chance to explain your travel plans in detail. Mention why you're visiting France, your travel dates, and any other relevant details. This personal touch can make a big difference. 8. A no objection certificate, NOC, from your employer. This document is essential if you're employed. This document shows that your employer is aware of and approves your travel plans. It's a green light from your workplace. 9. Proof of accommodation. This could be your hotel booking or an invitation letter from a host in France. Make sure it covers your entire stay. This reassures the authorities that you have a place to stay. 10. Proof of civil status. This includes your marriage certificate, birth certificate, or any other relevant documents. These documents provide additional context about your personal situation. Organize all these documents neatly in a folder. Presentation matters. Double-check your checklist to ensure you have everything. Missing even one document can cause delays. Now you're ready to head to the visa application center. Good luck. With all your documents in order, you're one step closer to your French adventure. The visa fee is a small price to pay for an incredible adventure. Think of it as the first step in your journey, a gateway to new experiences and memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're planning to explore the romantic streets of Paris, the historic landmarks of Normandy, or the picturesque vineyards of Bordeaux, the visa fee is a necessary investment in your dream trip. Fees vary, so check the official website for the latest prices. Make sure to budget for this expense early on. It's also a good idea to keep an eye out for any changes in the fee structure or additional charges that might apply. Being well informed will help you avoid any last-minute surprises and ensure a smooth application process. You can usually pay online or at the visa application center. Keep your payment receipts safe. These receipts are proof of your payment and might be required during your visa appointment. It's always better to have them handy than to scramble for them at the last minute. Speaking of the visa application center, remember to book your appointment online. Appointments can fill up quickly, so plan ahead. The earlier you book, the more options you'll have for choosing a convenient date and time. This can make a big difference, especially if you have a tight schedule. Choose a date and time that works for you. Consider your work schedule and other commitments. It's important to give yourself enough time to gather all necessary documents and prepare for the appointment. Rushing through this process can lead to mistakes or missing paperwork, which could delay your visa approval. During your appointment, you'll submit your documents, and there might be a short interview. Make sure to have all your documents organized. This includes your passport, visa application form, photographs, and any other required paperwork. Being well prepared will help the process go smoothly and increase your chances of a successful application. Be confident, answer honestly, and show your excitement about visiting France. Practice common interview questions beforehand. This will help you feel more at ease during the interview and make a positive impression on the visa officer. Remember, they want to see that you are a genuine traveler with a clear plan for your visit. Congratulations! You're one step closer to sipping coffee by the Seine River. Bon voyage! Imagine yourself enjoying the beautiful sights and sounds of France, from the bustling cafes of Paris to the serene countryside. Your careful planning and preparation will make this dream a reality. Don't forget to create a detailed budget for your trip. Include visa fees, travel insurance, accommodation, and daily expenses. A well-thought-out budget will help you manage your finances and ensure you have enough funds for all the activities you want to enjoy. Consider setting aside some extra money for unexpected expenses or spontaneous adventures. Set reminders for important dates, like your visa appointment and travel dates. Staying organized will save you time and stress. Use apps or calendars to keep track of deadlines and appointments. This way, you won't miss any crucial steps in your planning process. Start packing early and make a checklist of essentials. This will help you avoid last-minute rushes. Think about the weather, the activities you have planned, and any specific items you might need for your trip. A well-packed suitcase can make your travel experience much more enjoyable. Plan your itinerary in advance. Research the places you want to visit and make the most of your time in France. Having a clear plan will help you maximize your experience and ensure you don't miss out on any must-see attractions. Enjoy every moment of your adventure.
Gap 3S. Avoid these common mistakes when applying for your French tourist visa. 1. Incomplete forms. Double-check all your information. 2. Missing documents. Ensure you have everything on the checklist. 3. Late appointments. Book your appointment well in advance. 4. Insufficient funds. Make sure your bank statements reflect enough funds for your trip. 5. Incorrect photo specifications. Follow the guidelines for passport photos. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll have a smoother visa application process. Gap 3S, congratulations on getting your French tourist visa. Here's what to do next. 1. Finalize your travel plans. Confirm your flight and hotel bookings. 2. Pack your bags. Make a checklist of essentials. 3. Plan your itinerary. Research places to visit and things to do in France. 4. Stay informed, keep an eye on travel advisories and health guidelines. 5. Enjoy your trip. Embrace the culture, food, and experiences that France has to offer. Bon voyage!